All right, this is a quick video to show you how you're going to do your Sightreading Factory rhythm practice. So I first go to MusicFirst and I log in. Remember, it's your first name dot last name and the password is Hudson Hawk Band. Then I'm going to go up to the top where it says software. I'm going to click the button for software. It's going to show me three options. I'm going to choose Sightreading Factory. Once Sightreading Factory opens, you're going to click on the right-hand side. It just says Start Sight Reading. Then you're going to select Rhythm Only. If it's not up here, just scroll down. You'll find Rhythm Only. That's all you want. You're going to choose Sightreading Factory Level 2. If you really want to go for it, you can try Level 3, but I wouldn't go past Level 3 at this point. Then you're going to select a time signature of 4/4. You're going to do free play. You are sight reading 8 lines, so make sure you're paying attention to how many you've done. Select Start Free Play, and then here's my sight reading lines. I'm going to study it for just a couple seconds. I click play. You can change the tempo if you want to. I'll put mine at 100. Then you're just going to click play, and you're clapping and counting along with what you see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Then I would click next, and I would do that for 8 lines. After you've completed all 8 lines, clapping and counting, you can go back to Canvas and fill out the form to get credit for doing your Sight Reading Factory.